Unknown people detonated a powerful improvised explosive device IED at NECT Godown, Mantripukri under Hangang Police Station of ENCEPHALITIS last night around 10:15. No casualties were reported. Investigations are underway. A body of an unknown man was found at Hyangthang in ENCEPHALITIS this morning. Details are awaited. Voluntary Donors Group Manipur under the aegis of State Blood Cell National Health Mission Manipur organized a one-day awareness program cum blood donation camp at Blood Bank RIMS Imphal. A sand-laden truck coming from Dimapur met with a road accident this morning at Loangsambam near the old airport along Imphal-Dimapur Road, killing at least 4 cows. However, there were no reports of any human casualties. Union Minister of State Independent Charge of Power and New and Renewable Energy R.K. Singh has assured his all-top support and cooperation for robust development of power system in Arunachal Pradesh. Days after a medical alert was sounded in West Garo Hills following the detection of 2 cases of Japanese encephalitis, the number has gone up to 15, with most of the cases being reported from the district headquarters of Tura. Another 13 cases of Japanese encephalitis has been detected in West Garo Hills, prompting the district administration to call for an emergency meeting to be held today at the DRDA hall in the office of the DC. Fresh deaths due to acute encephalitis syndrome (AES) have been reported in Bihar's Muzaffarpur district, taking the total number of casualties to 113. The deaths took place at the Sri Krishna Medical College and Hospital, where 20 fresh cases were brought since June 18 night. The number of children admitted to the hospital with AES are 372 since June 1st, the district administration said. The Prime Minister's Economic Advisory Council (PMEAC) has released a detailed note enumerating its objections to former Chief Economic Advisor ARVIND SUBRAMNIAN'S paper on India's GDP growth. The note said that SUBRAMNIAN'S paper lacks rigor and would not stand up to academic scrutiny. A committee will be formed by the Narendra Modi-led government to prepare a roadmap for One Nation, One Election, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh announced at the end of an over 4-hour meeting with presidents of 21 political parties in New Delhi. Even political parties, including the Congress, skipped the meeting assembled by the Prime Minister. The Myanmar military and Kathmandu has denied reports on Indian news agencies that the armed forces of the 2 countries have been conducting joint military operations against rebel groups like Alpha NSCNK, National Democratic Front of Bodoland and the Kamtapur Liberation Organization KLO along the border. A fortnight after resigning from the ministerial positions in protest, 2 Muslim legislators were sworn into the post they earlier held. Parliamentarians Kabir Hasim and Abdul Halim yesterday took oath, but 7 other former ministers who resigned with them did not assume ministerial charge.